Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be doing my brows on camera and I'm going to be testing out these NYX products. So I have three different brow products here. I have the new NYX Brow Glue, and this is what it looks like here. Style brow hairs and set into place with this non-sticky transparent formula. We're gonna see. Then I have the micro brow pencil. This is not new, but I never picked it up, and I have this in the shade Espresso. Here is what the packaging looks like. This pencil is supposed to be a dupe for the ABH pencil, but like I said, this is not new. I just never tried it before, so I'm going to be using this pencil. And it does come with a spoolie on one side and the pencil on the other. This product is new. It's the I think it's new. It's the Lift Snatch Brow Tint Pen, and it looks like this. I got this in the shade Ash Brown. I'm gonna use this for the small hair-like strokes in the beginning of my brows. This product looks like this. Ooh, the tip is so fine. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and brush my eyebrows into place. Yeah, I'm not sure if you guys see that, but like, look at these little, oh my God. This pen is so fine. I really like it. But if you hold the product, like if you press down, of course the line can be a little bit thicker, but if you're of course light-handed, you can get really thin, fine strokes. This is so cool. Love it. I love it. I'm so excited right now. Before I go in with the brow glue, I'm gonna just use the spoolie just to brush my brow just a little. Now to the glue. Love that for me. Oh, okay. Wow. I'm liking it. NYX Brow. And I didn't even clean it up yet. Look at that, that's nice. Fluffy, feathery, cute. But she's not at her full potential, you know? I think that my eyebrows look so good. Like, I didn't even clean them up. They just look so nice. Like, I think you guys should definitely pick up these NYX products. Check out Ulta because they usually have buy one get one 50% off, so I will wait for a sale. In addition to the sales that they always have like those $3 coupons or 20% off coupons, so definitely give this a try. Really nice. I'm liking it. If you guys try these products, let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys later.